Today we're going to be removing our T5 dashboard.
And we're going to be doing a trial fitment of our upgraded T6 dash.
Welcome back to VAGZ Backyard. In today's episode we're going to be removing the T5 dashboard, and if all goes well and the mounting points are similar between the T5 and the upgraded T6 dash, we want to try and do a trial fitment just to see what the new T6 dash looks like in our T5. We're really excited about this because the T6 dash has been stored in our floor in the garage for a couple of months now, and we really want to see what it looks like in the T5. So let's get started. Okay, so from the previous episode we already prepped a lot of work to get the dashboard removed. What's left now is just the final screws that's holding the main dash onto the brace. So let's get started. MS, we think we'll start off here on the right side of the dashboard. There's 3 screws here on the side that MS needs to remove for us. Let's go. Okay, so it seems like the dashboard is still stuck here on the top. We're gonna have to get out these covers on the pillars, and to get that out we need to remove this first. This looks like a T20 or T25.
T25.
I think it's a T25. So we'll try and get these handles out quickly and pull these covers out to see what's holding the dash on the top. There we go. Let's get that out. It's actually a T30, I think. Check it out. Looks like a T30. Okay, so we've got that out. This should pull out. We're not gonna use these anyways because we've got a new dash. It's nice and stuck here in the middle. There we go, that's the one. Dashboard should be coming loose. Here's the speaker covers. That one as well. And these vents. This looks like it's or loose. There's nothing holding it here. Maybe it just pulls forward. Don't see anything on that side. Let's remove the vent on that side quickly. Okay, so we got the right side grab handle removed with the cover on the pillar, and then I think we should be able to get this dashboard out. Let's try it, guys. Just hold on. Let's see here in the center what's holding it. Gotta check these wires nicely. Make sure that they're clear. Gotta get the wiring harness disconnected from this dashboard as we're pulling it out. Okay, this side looks good. Get that one out. We should be good to go. Just check wires. Nothing on my end. Here's one. What's that? Just clip on. I think the station is ready to come out. There we go. Let's just put it down on the floor for now. Okay, so we got the dash out. Wow, it looks very different to the Passat's interior. But that's okay. At least we got this dash out. Let's try and get it out of the car. We make some space to get it out. Let's get this dash out. It's not so heavy, guys.
No, it's very light.
You might be able to carry it.
Okay.
See if you can. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Put it in the front somewhere, right? And then we're gonna try and bring the new dash in and just see what it looks like. Okay. So there we can see we're gonna have to remove this old brace and blower system because we're gonna put the new one from the T6 in here. But that we'll do in another episode because we're a bit tired right now. I think let's try and see if that new dash can work on this old brace. I don't know. Let's try and see. Been waiting for this for a good couple of months now. You need to go first. I think it's better through the back.
Yeah.
Don't scratch. This one is our baby. The one is scratch it.
Just get up.
Yeah. Take your time. I have to go down there slightly. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Let's go up. Up. The rear needs to pick up.
Yeah. There we go.
I think it's there somewhere. It's holding it. It's supposed to fit there. It still needs to go more up. Hold on. Is it there?
Not on its actual spot.
I think this fuse box.
There's a few things blocking it, even here on the side.
Let me see.
Can't go much. It's blocked there as well.
This one as well. Same story, yeah. So this brace and other brace is not the same. So it won't fit. Unfortunately, we tried. Let's keep it more or less there for now. It's not gonna work. So the two braces are not the same. Can you just double check nicely? Yes, it's different.
Yeah.
Definitely not gonna fit on you. So this brace, the side piece here, this looks different. I'm sure on the The other brace, it will be a different story. Let's see. Yeah, it's different. It's totally different. You can see there on the bottom that brace, look there. That's a side piece. So that side, the braces on the side are different. So you have to use the T6 brace to get the T6 dash on. It won't fit on the T5 brace. So what we did was right. We removed the whole blower with the brace. We're gonna have to do the same. Yeah, I think unfortunately we can at least see what it looks like. Wow, this dashboard is really looking nice. I must say I don't regret that we took this dash over the old dash. So this was a good buy for us. You can see it looks really good. MS, you know what I'm thinking? While it's standing like this here, we can't move the dash further in. Let's try that center console with the fridge. You know the fridge box? They call it that, what do you call that piece again? There's a name for it. The comfort dash, the center comfort dash. Bring that for us here. Let's check how does that look. Let me go in here. While it's bringing that, you know, just to show you an example, I don't know if it will catch it good on the camera, but that's the new dash, and you can compare. This was the old door panel. So look at the two. There's a huge difference. The same on the driver's side. Look at that. That's really the old and new. There we go. MS got the. Let's see. I don't know if it will fit in here. Just to more or less see what it sits. How does it sit?
You can even try and get the DSG shifter knob. Just check that out as well.
But it's not gonna work in there. You know why? This here has to come out. You have to remove these pieces. You see, then this goes behind that. So it's not gonna work fully. But that's the center piece that comes in like that. It's okay. It's fine. It's just an idea of what it's gonna be like. It will be sitting there somewhere. What we can try is quickly before we close up. Let's see this other door panel. What does it look like on the side here? The door panel is here on the back. Bring that on for us. Just to see what it looks like next to this dish. It's gonna be a huge difference between the old and the new. Now you can see sort of paired up with this new dash. Yeah, so you can see this, the new panel and the dashboard is matching. So the trims are the same here with the silver. It looks really nice compared to the old setup. Let's check the old setup on that side, MS. Close that door slowly for us. It won't close fully, but it will give us a good idea just to see what it looks like. So that's the old door panel against the new dash. That's really not nice, and that's the new one, so you can see the difference. But it's really looking nice. Yeah, the dashboard is still not in its correct position. It needs to go much more in. What we'll do is we'll remove the dash, and we have to get the brace out. We have to remove all the wires from this T5, and then that's needed because the T5's wiring is still the old system, and then we'll have to start preparing to get the new harness laid down. So all this needs to come out, the carpets, everything. But once we remove the brace in the next episode, we'll try and see if we can get the new brace on, just to see how does it line up and so on. And then we'll try again a second trial to just put the dashboard on there and see how it fits. So let's do that. So for now, I think, yeah, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in our next episode.